So I'll be showing you how to send audio messages using the Messages app on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro running iOS 16, but you can use more or less the same instructions for other iPhone models. So go to the Messages app on your iPhone. Now find the person you want to send an audio message to. Now to be able to send an audio message, the person on the other side has to be using iMessage as well. So one, they need to have an iPhone. Secondly, they need to be using iMessage. So let me pick this contact for instance. This contact I know uses iMessage. You can see the blue bubbles. So to send an audio message to this user, tap on this icon right here, this one that looks like it has waves. Tap on it, and then it's going to tell you to tap or hold to record. So before you start talking, just tap or hold, and then speak. The microphone will listen to you, record that audio, and then send it as an audio file. So let's just do that. Good morning. You can ignore this. This is just a test message. Please ignore. And once you release, the message has been sent. Okay, so to exit out of that, you can tap on that again or tap inside the keyboard or the text area, and that message has now been sent as an audio message. So let's listen to that. You can ignore this. This is just a test message. Please ignore. And of course, as usual, audio messages will disappear after 2 minutes after they've been received by the recipient. But that's basically how to send an audio message to someone on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.